Hey guys, Adam Fennig here with Fennig Equipment. You're tuned into the Talking Shed. Today's May 1st, sun's out, the wind's blowing like crazy, but it's an improvement, it's not raining. So as promised, this is your first video of the month of May. Like I said, we'll do one every day. So Wes and I, we're up here in near Kenton, Ohio, Upper Sandusky region, working on a Case 1250 24-row planter. And what we're doing is we're putting our Case 1200 series dual fertilizer placement units on this row unit. That's what we're doing today. It's probably getting close to lunchtime. We're going to head back to the shop and we'll shoot a video back there of what we're doing. Keep you guys in tune with what's going on today. Thanks for tuning in. Well guys, I just got back to the shop shortly after lunch here. Going to work on unboxing a few packages here, and you can probably hear it. But it's coming down like cats and dogs out there right now. So it was drying earlier pretty well this morning. Nice and windy, nice and sunny, but not so much anymore. So it's about 1:30 here right now. We just got a couple shipments in here from Salford. We're going to talk about that here in a little bit. So stay dry. All right, guys. Well, we're here in the shop, and I want to show you what we're working on here today. Mitch and Kurt are working on a Y-drop toolbar here behind me, and I'll go ahead and flip it around. So what we have here is one of our Y-drop toolbars. So basically this mounts onto your Hagee sprayer, and it allows you to Y-drop without using your standard spray boom. So you can disconnect from your standard spray boom and connect to this Y-drop dedicated toolbar. We did a video on it. It takes around 2 minutes to switch back and forth. The advantages are you're a lot narrower going down the road. You don't beat up your spray boom, and it takes a lot longer with factory 360 brackets to switch back and forth than what it does with this toolbar. So we're actually working on putting 3 of these together. This is a product that we design and have manufactured. So we're working on assembling 3 of these right now to get out to customers here for side dress. So that is what is going on in the shop today with Mitch and Kurt.